Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with monday.com for sprint management, full guide step by step clearly. To start registering with monday.com for sprint management, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.monday.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Here, you have the option to sign up using your Google account or by entering your email address. If you prefer using Google, click on the Google Sign Up button. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password and enter it in the password field. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up button to continue. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open your email and look for the verification message from monday.com. Click on the verification link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the monday.com homepage. You may be prompted to provide additional information about your company and team. Fill in the required fields with your company name and team size. Next, choose a plan that suits your needs. You can start with a free trial to explore the platform. After selecting your plan, click on the Continue button. Now, you will be guided through an onboarding process. Follow the prompts to set up your workspace and preferences. You can customize your boards and add your team members as needed. Once your workspace is set up, you're ready to start managing your sprints. Explore the features laid out on your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. You can now create a new board specifically for sprint management. Click on Add Board to get started and select Sprint Management from the template options. Begin adding tasks, assigning team members, and setting deadlines to tailor the board to your sprint needs. With your tasks organized, you can use the various views to track progress effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.